Welcome to 61 Dent Street, an elegant 4-bedroom home situated within a family-oriented neighborhood of Northwest Ajax's Meadow Ridge community. With a brick exterior, stamped concrete steps and covered front porch, as well as a second-level open-air balcony for wonderful curb appeal, sidelights and a transom surrounding the west-facing glass-paneled entry door, plus a south-facing window in the foyer allow for abundant natural light and offer a warm, inviting entrance into the main level. Hardwood flooring flows throughout the elegant, open-concept entertaining spaces of the formal living and dining rooms. Featuring a warm, calming color palette, half walls with fluted decor columns define the space for each area, while a contemporary chandelier in the dining room lends an added aura of intimacy. The mirrored doors of the coat closet enhance the spaciousness of these elegant rooms, while the open space above the closet, as well as a wall niche with accent lighting, are tailor-made places for display pieces. Another eye-catching niche with accent lighting is seen on the staircase wall as you walk to the generously sized family room. Brightened with pot lights and natural light through the east-facing walkout to the backyard and 2 north-facing windows, this gathering space features the coziness of a gas fireplace, which has a built-in media niche above it, as well as laminate flooring with a rich, warm hue. Its refreshing color palette gives the room a vibrant aura that invites lively entertaining, and this color is continued into the adjacent kitchen, where it complements the warmth of its wood cabinetry. Featuring track lighting as well as under-cabinet lighting accentuating the earthen tones of the tiled backsplash, this efficiently designed work area includes a stainless steel 2-drawer French door fridge, built-in microwave and dishwasher, and an oven with gas cooktop, ceramic flooring, a built-into-the-wall pantry, plenty of counter workspace with a breakfast table extension, as well as an east-facing window with backyard views above a stainless steel double sink with an upgraded faucet. The staircases to both the upper and lower levels are carpeted and have hardwood railings, and off the lower staircase's mid-landing is a powder room with ceramic flooring and a vanity with countertop basin. The lower level landing is also carpeted, and off this space is a storage closet plus a laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, while the remainder of the lower level is unfinished, yet has amazing potential for future recreational, entertaining, and storage space. The upper staircase's mid-landing has a deep wall ledge that can be utilized as a sitting area or for display purposes. While a loft space just off the staircase landing is also ideal as a sitting area, as well as for home office or study use. And directly across from the loft is the main 4-piece washroom, which features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, a vanity with great storage, and a linen closet right outside its entry door. The hallway and all 4 bedrooms have the coziness of broadloom. The 3rd and 4th bedrooms feature upgraded light fixtures and spacious double closets. The 3rd bedroom additionally features a large south-facing window, while the 4th bedroom also has a spacious double closet, as well as track lighting and a vaulted ceiling above 2 south-facing windows, an arched transom, and a glass-paneled door with scrolled wrought iron inserts that opens onto the east-facing balcony above the main entrance. Through a double-door entry is the generously sized master suite. which is bathed in natural light through an east-facing window with an arched transom and a vaulted ceiling above it. This beautiful retreat also showcases a walk-in closet, as well as a relaxing 4-piece ensuite washroom with tiled finishes throughout, a corner soaker tub, an oversized glass shower with rainfall shower head, and a wood vanity with an upgraded light fixture. The master bedroom also overlooks the fenced backyard, which is extremely low maintenance and showcases a huge stamped concrete patio area with an internet-accessible metal gazebo, landscaped garden beds, and built-in flower boxes along the rear fence. A short walk to both Vimy Ridge and Rosemary Brown public schools, and close to places of worship, parks, and a shopping plaza, this home is also minutes from community and recreational facilities, the Durham Centre Shopping Mall, and golf courses, with the GO station, as well as access to Highways 401 and the 407 just short drives away.